Object was under a certain distance that I programmed it to be, the servo motor would spin, but then if it was over the distance, the servo motor wouldn't do anything.
We built 18 LEDs. We made them blink, and after that, we made them blink in patterns.
My project was to make a speaker play the tune Happy Birthday.
Okay, we did the design with the help of the LEDs, the resistors, and the breadboards, and the male to female wires.
I used some LEDs and male and female wheels and servo motor.
We did the we had so much male to female wires on the breadboard, so it was kind of hard for us put all of the LEDs on it.
I used an ultrasonic sensor, a breadboard, and a Raspberry Pi to help me with the programming.
We used resistors, wires, male to female wires, LEDs, and also GPIO pins.
I used a breadboard, a speaker, male to female wires, and an Arduino.
We built with the help of LED, Raspberry Pi, and the wires. And the hardest part of the building was that we messed up with the GPIO pins, and we ended up putting it in the wrong pins.
I used Python to program, and I used some loops and stringing.
We built it by making because some of the resistors are blue and some are tan, and the blue ones are better, so we had some trouble with that too.
For my programming, I used threading, which makes two functions work at the same time, and I also imported a couple of libraries from Python.
We had a lot of errors in our programming, so we had to so we had to fix it, and after we fixed it, it worked.
I used Arduino to program mine, and I used loops and setup.
We used a Python 2.7 to program our projects, and we had a lot of errors in our program, like syntax errors and all that.
I had to troubleshoot because the servo modem is not working. I sometimes miss some trouble with my code. I found out the trouble and to finish the troubleshooting.
We had to put the GPIO number, which stands for General Purpose Input Output. We had to type in out too, because we wanted the energy to go into the LED and to make it light up.
For the troubleshooting, sometimes some wires were connected incorrectly, or they got disconnected. And also sometimes our code was wrong, so we had to use trial and error until we got our code right.
We had a lot of errors with our breadboard and our Raspberry Pi, it was connected in the wrong pins, and the resistors were connected in the wrong place, and the LEDs also.
Usually my mistakes was I forgot a semicolon at the end of each line of code, because in Arduino you need that. And also sometimes I put the wrong speaker pin for the pin that was connected to the speaker.
One day somebody just plugged off our resistor, so we had to rethink and build it again.
that's tonight.
That's
Thank
done.
you for listening.
Any questions?
Any questions?
Any questions?
Somebody said something about breading? I didn't get that. What's that all about?
It's a breadboard which we use to connect our wires to, and also our Raspberry Pi.
I know something about the loom. What does the loom do?
Well, yeah.
So you mentioned about the looping. So did your program hang anytime due to not exiting at the right spot or at the right condition? Did it hang anytime? So did you use the right brakes in between to come out of the loop?
Yes. Thank you for listening.